Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Safari not working on Mac. To solve this problem, go to your Safari first. Once you have opened your Safari, hit on the Safari which is on the top corner of your screen. Then click on Preferences. Then search for your Manage Data. It might be in general or password or privacy. Search in the privacy. Once you have found it, click on the manage website data. Here are all the data. You have to remove it by clicking on remove all button. Once you are done with it, click on done. Then go back to your home and click on the Apple icon and restart your device. This will solve your Safari not working problem in your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video.